Okay, so this is a video for Honor 6th grade, and it's finding the percent when given part in the whole using proportion setup. Okay, so a farmer decides to sell 16 pounds of his small 48-pound potato crop. What percent did he sell? Well, so the whole is 48 because that's his total. So we can write 48 and 16 his part. So you have 16 over 48. And since we're trying to find a percentage, you're going to set it equal to x over 100%. So we're going to do our little butterfly. And we're going to cross multiply. So you're going to do x times 48, which is 48x. And then 16 times 100, which is just 1600. So then we're going to divide 48 to the left. What you do on the left, you do on the right. So this cancels out to a nice big 1. And then you're going to do 1600 divided by 48, which comes out to 33.33 repeating once you divide it. So that means your answer is 33.33%. Okay, number 4. For every $10 Glenn earns, his parents require him to save 2. What percent of his money does he get to spend? Okay, so he has to save 2, so that means he gets to spend 8. So his part is $8 out of a total of 10. And you're going to set it equal to x over 100. Now, since 10 goes nicely to 100, you know you can do 10 times 10, which is 100. Whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 8 times 10 is 80. So he gets to spend 80% of his money. So that means he saves 20% of his money. Okay, Coach Thomas has a player who made 9 free throw shots out of 15 in the tryouts. To make the team, a player must be able to shoot at 65% of the free throws. Will he be able to make it? Well, so he got 9 out of 15. And we're going to set it equal to x over 100. So we're going to cross multiply. So we're going to do our little butterfly. So we're going to do x times 15, which is 15x. And 9 times 100, which is 900. And you're going to divide 15 to the left, divide 15 to the right. This cancels out. And then you're going to do 900 divided by 15, which is exactly 60. So he only able to shoot 60%. So no, he will not be able to make his team. Okay, number 6. A kindergarten class has 9 girls and 11 boys. What percent of the class are girls? Well, so I know there's going to be 9 girls out of not 11, but the total. So to do that, you have to do 9 plus 11, which is 20. So there's 20 kids in this class. We're going to set it equal to x over 100. Well, 20 goes into 100 very nicely. So 20 times 5 gives me 100. And whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 9 times 5 is 45. So 45% of the class is girls. Number 7. Joey has 8 pairs of socks in a drawer. 5 of them are white. What's the percent of the colored socks? Well, so if 5 are white, that means 3 are colored. So you're going to do 3 out of 8, which is we've actually done before, but we're going to solve it setting up a proportion to be x over 100%. So x times 8 is 8x, and 3 times 100 is 300. So we're going to divide the left by 8, divide the right by 8. Cancel it out. And then 300 divided by 8 should come out to 37.5%. Okay, number 8. It rained 7 days during the month of April. What percent of the month did it rain? Okay, well, so 7 days is equal to x over 100. And we got to remember, how many days does April have? And so April should have 30 days. So we're going to cross multiply. X times 30 is just 30x. 7 times 100 is 700. So then you're going to divide by 30 to both sides. This makes a nice big 1. So then you're going to do 700 divided by 30, which comes out to 23.33%. So that means it rained 23.3% of the time during April. All right, that's how you find the percentage when given the part and the whole. Thanks, guys.